morning students. We have learnt yesterday linear equation in two variables. We'll just do fast revision and then we will start with practice set 1.1. So general form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a and b is not equal to 0. A, B, C are real numbers and highest degree is 1. Now a and b is not equal to 0 means a and b shouldn't be equal to 0, otherwise this linear equation will convert itself to linear equation in one variable. So that's the reason a and b shouldn't be equal to 0. And a, b, c are real numbers. You all know real numbers which include all types of natural, whole, rational, irrational numbers are known as real numbers. And highest degree means on the head of the variable any other number will be there, then it won't be a linear equation. So you have to remember the highest degree should be 1. Next is methods of solving simultaneous equation. So we had seen yesterday one method was elimination, another was substitution. So we'll start with elimination method. In elimination method, one of the variable is eliminated. Which variable will be eliminated? So the variable which has opposite signs with same coefficient. Opposite signs means plus is opposite to minus and multiplication is opposite to division, but we use most of the time plus and minus. So if plus is there, you have to see in other equation there should be minus. And what they have said, the variable which has same coefficient. Coefficient means the number in front of the variable. Then we take the answer and find the other variable, then put this value in the equation and get the second variable's value, and we get the solution for x and y. If we have taken x and y as variable, so we will get answer for x and y. Next method is substitution method. Now in this method you have to observe the equation and see which variable has coefficient 1 and then convert that equation to find the value of other variable. Then put the value of the other variable in the converted equation and get the solution. Only 3 steps. Now let's start with practice set 1.1. First question is complete the following activity to solve simultaneous equation. Now can you all see boxes in this? So this activity means you will get the sum in form of boxes. So you have to remember. So our first sum says that 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. So these are the two equations given to us. Then we will add the equation 1 and 2. So we write the equation and we add. Now look at the variable y. What is the coefficient in first equation for y? Plus 3 and second minus 3. So what will happen with it? It will get cancelled. So what answer we get is 5 plus 2 is 7 and x is a common variable. So we get 7x is equals to 9 plus 12 is 21. So therefore x is equals to 21 upon 7. Now which multiple will give us 21 if we multiply by 7? Correct, it should be 3. So 7 3s is 21. So we get the answer x is equals to 3. Now take this value x is equals to 3 in equation 1. What is the equation 1? Is 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. Can you all see? So 5 into, in place of x what we will put? We will put 3. So 5 into 3 plus 3y is equals to 9. Next is 15. From where 15 came? 5 3s are 15. Right. plus 3y is equals to 9. Then 3y is equals to 9 minus 15. On left hand side 15 has plus sign, though it is not shown, but it has plus 15. It is plus 15. When it gets converted, it changes the position from left hand side to right hand side. It will change, plus becomes minus. So you get answer as 9 minus 15. Now who is greater in this? 15. What is the sign? Minus. So you have two opposite sign. You have to subtract the number and then give the greater number sign. This rule I have taught you all in 8th standard as well as in 9th standard. So 3y is equals to minus 6, and then y is equals to minus 6 upon 3. So y is equals to how much? 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. So we get answer as minus 2. Children, you have to remember, you have to put the signs correctly. So your solution is for x and y is 3 and minus 2. Is it clear? Is the sum clear now? Okay, now we'll change. We'll start with the new question. Second question is solve the following simultaneous equation. Now here, have they mentioned about any methods? No. So you have to use any methods, either elimination or substitution method. So it was whichever you feel it is easy, you can solve by that method. But if the question is asked, solve the following by substitution method, so you have to use substitution method only. Is it clear? Okay. So next we'll start this equation, this question, by solving it by method elimination. Now I will be solving first question with both the methods so that you will understand. So first question says 3a plus 5b is equals to 26 is your equation 1, and 5b is equals to 22 is your second equation. Now subtract equation 2 from 1. So equation 2 is a plus 5b equals to 22. Subtract it from 3a plus 5b equals to 26. So what we get is, we have to change the sign. So see the signs for second equation, it will change, minus a, minus 5b and minus 22. Okay. So you get 3, you get answer as 3a minus a, and 5b minus 5b will be cancelled, and 26 minus 22 will be 4. So you get the answer as 2a is equals to 4. So a is equals to 4 upon 2. So a is equals to 2. Then put the value of a is equals to 2 in equation 1. 3a plus 5b equals to 26. 3 into 2. Why we have taken that 2? Because correct value of a is 2. So 3 into 2 plus 5b is equals to 26. Now see 3 2s are 6. So you get the answer 6 plus 5b is equals to 26. Then 5b is equals to 26 minus 6. Now that minus 6 converts, it is converted to minus 6. How? From left hand side, when we change it to right hand side, it becomes minus. So 5b is equals to 20. So b is equals to 20 upon 5. So what is the multiple of 20 and 5 is 4. B is equals to 4. So solution for A and B is 2, 4. Have you all understood the elimination method? We have to cancel one of the variable to get our answer, and once you are done with, you get one answer for other variable, then you have to put that value in the any of the equation. You can put in first equation or you can put in second equation. Have you all understood? Okay, so next we start with substitution method for same sum. So we have both the equations, 3a plus 5b is equals to 26 and 5a plus 5b is equals to 22 is the second equation. Now you remember what I had given the steps as you have to convert one of the equation whose coefficient is 1. Now in this complete equations, which variable has coefficient 1? So look at the second equation. Can you all see? Yes, a is having coefficient 1. So we convert that equation to a is equals to 22 minus 5b. So substitute this value of a in equation 1. We take a is equals to 22 minus 5b in equation 1. So wherever a is written, you have to put 22 minus 5b. So you write as 3 into 22 minus 5b plus 5b is equals to 26. So 3 into 22 minus 3 into 5b. We have kept in bracket not to make you confused, and we keep 5b is equals to 26 as it is. 3 into 22 is 66 minus 3 into 5 is 15b and plus 5b remains as it is equals to 26. Now we add and we subtract the second variable. So we get minus 15 plus 5 will give us minus 10b equals to 26 minus 66. So minus 10b is equals to minus 40. We put the value and b is equals to minus 40 upon minus 10. So minus minus gets cancelled. 10 fours are 40. So we get b is equals to 4. Now we take value of b and put this value in equation 2, which is converted. So we take a is equals to 22 minus 5b. A is equals to 22 minus 5 into 4. From 4 is the value of b. So a is equals to 22 minus 20. So a is equals to 2. So what is our solution for a and b is equals to 2 and 4. We got both the answers correct. By doing solving both the methods, we have got same solution. So it is, you all are free to solve the simultaneous equation by any method if it is not mentioned as solved by elimination method or solved by substitution method. Have you all understood? So today what we have learned, we will just recapitulate it. Method 1, elimination method and substitution method. Follow the steps and solve the sum. So today's homework is solve the following by elimination and substitution method. Solve the sums, and when we will come back we will solve it, or tomorrow I will give you the solution for this homework. Okay, thank you.